This activity is to allow you to find and hear and determine what the 5 most annoying sounds in the world are. You will be sure to have to guess which is which. Here goes. First sound. Second sound. Third sound. And last sound. Ironically, all of those sounds, with the exception of my voice, have a frequency between 2,000 and 5,000 hertz, which is interesting because they all qualify as the 4 of the 5 most annoying sounds on Earth.